Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Blinx by Liz. I'm your CEO, Elizabeth, and today I'm going to show you how to make your Crocs look extra special with one item, and that's a hair scrunchie. Yep, you heard me, a hair scrunchie. So let's give your Crocs that extra pizzazz without breaking the bank. And before we do that, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for me, like and share this video, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. For more inspiration and behind the scenes looks, you can follow me across all social medias at Blinx by Liz, and hit me up on blinxbyliz.com if you want your own customized Crocs. Let's dive right in. So for this particular project, you'll need a pair of scrunchies. I purchased mine from Amazon and my local beauty supply. You'll also want a pair of scissors and some Crocs. Once you have all of your materials, you'll want to remove one end of your straps. So the way to do that is you'll want to peel back your Croc strap from the black button that has the crocodile on it. The best way to do that is by holding down the black button and trying to peel the strap back. Also, I would recommend to start from the outer side of the Crocs, and what I mean by that is in this video you see me working with the right foot Croc, and I'm starting from the right side of the right foot Croc. If this was the left foot Croc, you'll start from the left side of the left foot Croc. It may be difficult for you at first, so be gentle or else the straps may rip, but you got it, trust me. Once you get to this point, you can start on your scrunchie. You'll want to hold your scrunchie tight and taut so that you can get a clean, even cut, especially if you're working with a scrunchie that has fur like mine. And please be careful because as you can see, I'm over here kind of wrestling with my scrunchie and eventually you'll get it. But just please be careful because I would hate for y'all to come under this video saying y'all cut yourselves trying to cut a scrunchie, child. Be sure to check out my description, guys, if you want the link to this particular pack of scrunchies that I was using. I purchased mine from Amazon as I stated, but if you want the link, I will attach it. When you do have fur scrunchies, you'll want to pull off the excess after you cut, but also there is an elastic band in most scrunchies, so after you cut it, be sure to pull out that little band of elastic. If you haven't already and you're enjoying this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Like young boy said best, show me your love. Okay, you guys, so once your scrunchie is cut in half, you have the elastic removed, you'll want to go ahead and add your scrunchie to the strap. The best way that I can describe this is for those that may wear stockings or maybe knee-high socks, tights, you want to imagine the strap of the Crocs as if it was your leg and your feet, and you're adding on these stockings, tights, or knee-high socks. So you'll take it bit by bit and slide it down. And as you get closer and closer to where enough is there, you'll switch it around and then you pull it down to make room for the rest that you're going to continue to add on bit by bit. Once you get to a certain point, it gets way easier. But when you first start, it is a little bit difficult, but not impossible. So let me know if you have any struggles. Leave a comment if you did struggle with this part. It was honestly one of the easier parts of the video, but this entire DIY is pretty simple. As you can see, the video is almost over and we are in the home stretch. The last and final part of this video is adding your strap back to the Croc. Now you may have to wrestle with this part too, but the best way that I can describe it is adding your finger to the back of the black button, the crocodile button, and maneuvering the strap hole around the black button. Once you get up in there and you try it yourself, you'll see what I mean. The reason I say add your finger to the back of the black button is because it gives it more of a stable foundation for you to maneuver around with the strap. And I'm going to show you again. So I'm going to give you a close-up and I'm also going to take the scrunchie off to give you a better view. But this is what I mean by maneuvering the hole around the black button while also having your finger on the back of the black button. And you can use your finger or your thumb, whatever is comfortable for you. But this is how you would want to add the strap back on after adding your scrunchie. And just a reminder, we're doing this so that the button doesn't pop off and also be gentle so that the strap doesn't rip. And in a few more seconds, I'll show you these Crocs when I add one other secret weapon, which is just simply some charms. The scrunchie plus the charms equals chef's kiss, or should I say Croc's kiss. This DIY is useful on junior Crocs, baby Crocs, whatever you feel comfortable with. I personally don't prefer to work with baby Crocs because what I add to the Crocs are usually small choking hazards and I don't want babies to get a hold of anything that I use. So it's up to your discretion, but please make the smart decision. Either way, if you are doing this for yourself, someone else, these are the perfect gift for someone else and yourself. What did I tell you? Crocs kiss. And I know the main question is going to be, do I sell charms? No, I don't currently. Most of my charms are purchased from Amazon. The designer charms are a different story. I've been shopping around for different vendors, but I haven't found a definite one that I'm satisfied with yet, so I don't want to refer you guys to any just yet. But if you would like your own pair of Bling Crocs made, I can get that done for you. Just hit me up on blinksbyliz.com. If you stuck around till the end of this video, then you are the true OG, and I appreciate you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll try to get to you guys as soon as I can. But thanks for sticking around. Have a great new year. Bye.